Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to use keyframes like an amateur versus pro. Let's get started. So friends, I have two conversations. First, ball pro and second, ball amateur. Well, I will show first amateur. Let's select these all layers and press P. Make new keyframes and let's move to here. Go to some keyframes and move to up. Go to again some keyframes, move to down, and again go to some keyframes, again move to up, and make someone. Go to here, move to down. So let's animation. Okay, this is like an amateur version. So let's go to Ball Pro version and first go to Layer, New and Null Object and move to here. Then select Pan Behind and move anchor point down. Click Session Tool, change name Ball Control and select all layers. Let's link to Ball Control. And select Control, let's press P and move to down and make new patching keyframe. Go to 10 keyframe, click here, write plus 10, click OK and move to up. Go to 10 keyframe again, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V for duplicate keyframes and select all keyframes. Right mouse, keyframe assistant and easy ease or F9. Then hold Alt and go to click time icon and go to click play button, property and loop out duration. For done expression, click this empty area and let's see. Okay, we have endless keyframes with only 3 keyframes. So let's play with graph editor. Select these keyframes and go to graph. Okay, let's zoom to keyframes and select this keyframe. Let's move to left and again select keyframes, move to right and select these first keyframes, move to left like this and this, move to right. Let's see. Okay, very good. So back to keyframes and in this time, let's go to here, hold Shift press S. Make scale keyframe, click this icon and go to here, change scale like this and in this time change 100. Select keyframes, make easies and press N. Let's see. Okay, very good. Okay, nice, and select all layers, click this icon for motion blur and don't forget to enable this icon. Okay, very good. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.